Now to our ongoing coverage. Now to our ongoing coverage of the murder trial of Patrick Frazee.
Krystal Kenney, who says she cleaned up after the murder of Kelsey Berreth, she was back on the stand for a second day, which also included her cross-examination. News 5's Sam Kramer in court. He joins us live from Teller County with more. Sam.
Yeah, well, guys, you can tell why she's the state's most powerful witness. She has all the details providing this story of how she says Patrick Frazee killed the mother of his child, Kelsey Berreth. She started today by going through some of the site visits she led police on December 21st, just minutes after Frazee was arrested. I want to show you a graphic. This is where she says that Patrick Frazee burned Berreth's body inside a black tote. It's on his property just up from the house. And it was interesting to hear her go through all of this. We've heard prosecutors talk about it kind of loosely, but to hear Krystal Kenney actually detail how she went into Berreth's home, where she saw blood essentially everywhere, what she did to clean that up even more, using some photos today of the cleaned up townhome, not showing any of that blood. She also talked about how she left some of that behind. And she told police really just how everything came together, how she said Frazee told her everything. Then once the prosecutors finished their questioning of her, defense attorney Adam Steigerwald took to the podium to do his cross-examination. It lasted just over an hour, and he was precise, he was quick, direct to the point, and really emphasized on a few things. First, that Krystal Kenney, she had testified Wednesday that she felt like the Berreth family needed to know what happened. That's part of the reason she came forward. But he pointed out that Kenney never tells police about this while she says she's being solicited. In September, when she had the poison coffee story, the 2 times in October between the metal rod and the baseball bat, she never says anything to police. Only does she say something to police when she has a plea deal arranged on December 20th. She also, the defense attorneys also talked about how the fact that she knows so much about this case, they didn't say it verbatim, but they really seemed to point the finger at her, as we've felt like they would do all along. So it was interesting to hear them work through that. She became emotional on this stand today. Some of the gallery became emotional as well. So again, a very powerful day. It's only day 5 here, but there's a lot of heavy information being presented, especially from the state's key witness. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. I'm Sam Kramer, News 5.
Sam, thank you. And ahead at 6:30, we are back with Sam asking the questions that you want answered after Krystal Kenney was back on the stand today.